Good morning and welcome to the IG Daily Market Update for Tuesday the 1st of February. Now, after disappointing performance yesterday, we're seeing a bit of a rebound in UK markets today as the crisis in Egypt unfolds. The market's taking its eye off that and looking towards corporate earnings to give a positive feeling. FTSE 100 is up around 30 points at the moment, 58.90, and we've seen some rising commodity prices also giving a benefit there. The big hitting miners all near the top of the index, with Fresnillo, Antofagasta, Billiton and Xstrata all having a fairly good day as we see gold prices rising and copper and tin hitting all-time highs. In results terms, Autonomy, the software maker, are the biggest riser. They're up 5.5% after beating analysts' forecasts with their fourth quarter results. Arm Holdings, another hot stock over the last few months, they're up 3% as they've reported figures profits of up 47% for the fourth quarter, with a massive year-on-year rise of 73%, and expecting to continue to do well in the future with all the tie-ups they have with the big American companies. Now, on the other side of the coin, BP are the biggest faller. They're down 1.3%, despite announcing that they will return to paying dividends quarterly. 7 cents a share is the first one that's going to come out very soon. Their results for the fourth quarter were slightly disappointing, missing analyst forecasts. They've also had to add another $1 billion to the write-down charge for the Gulf of Mexico oil spill. Now, UK manufacturing has expanded at its fastest rate since record began in 1992, with a figure for the PMI of 62, up from the revised December figure of 58.7. But the nationwide are still seeing house prices for January down by 0.1%, so it just shows you the recovery is still possibly weak, looking a bit choppy, and the nationwide saying they're expecting prices to tread water over the next year or so because of a lack of supply preventing the prices falling off a cliff completely. Now, Eurozone figures for PMI also out this morning, fairly strong, showing growth in manufacturing despite falls in Greece, and also the unemployment in the Eurozone staying around 10%, down from 10.1% previously, and also slightly better than the 10.1% expected. Now, with all these results, we have seen a jump in sterling and the euro today against the dollar. Sterling having a good morning. It's up around 161.15, with the euro currently trading around 137.35 against the greenback. Now, US markets much more positive than Europe yesterday, thanks to corporate earnings. Also, the Brent crude price going up towards $100 and the unrest in Egypt didn't seem to have as much of an effect as it had done in European markets. ExxonMobil, the world's largest company by market cap, were up 2% after reporting quarter four earnings, $1.85 a share from $1.63 expected. We also saw some interesting figures in the US, saying the US is expected to be growing at the fastest rate since 1988, or expanding its fastest rate. The PMI, the Chicago PMI figures coming up at a level to suggest that, and also consumer spending up 0.7% in December, the sixth monthly gain in a row. So those gains on US markets yesterday, the Dow closing up around 68 points. We're calling up another 35 today at a level of 119.25. Also seeing the S&P up 5 from yesterday's close at 1291.